to Best Car Fixes 2010 Mercedes-Benz 350. We have this car here. We have a startability problem. And guess what? When we come here, you see here, we come here, this is what we found in here. This old sites. Okay, now open this one here up. See there? Okay, give me here please. Okay, you see here we have those flood full of water. You can't believe how it is, but when you have wiring, I'm not talking about the, yes, don't move the glass here, all the way, look, you see here, we are in trouble now. So we have some wires stopped in, some computer modules. Yeah. This is one side.
That's already the tank right here.
Yeah, the other side also here. We changed the front sound module.
That's what?
Hi, how are you? We are here, so now we can go through here. This also the same to the pin. We took it out, we dry it, but still we have to work. We change those connectors. So we have changed the battery. We're gonna work on it for you. Please subscribe, share, and like. And this is what we have now on this.